Hi, I'm Jeremy with Stellar Distributors, and today I want to walk you through a display panel that we made with dealer training in mind. So first, the panel is completely off now, so nothing is lit up now. I'm going to walk you through some functions of this in a moment. We have our Stellar Sky fiber optic panels here. We have the horizon installed on the back of these panels, which is perimeter RGBW LED lighting all the way around. And then up here we have a couple of incandescent lamps. We have one on a switch, and we have one on a dimmer. And then up here we have a Stellar Sky control interface. This is the bridge between your automation system or our Wi-Fi adapter to the control of the Stellar Sky system. And we have the Wi-Fi adapter itself, and this is the bridge between your iPhone app and the control of a Stellar Sky system. We have the Stellar Sky Ambience, which is an RGBW LED controller, which powers the horizon LED on the back of these panels. We have a Z-Wave switch, which we already covered in the dimmer. We also have a Z-Wave Slim Touch. This is a Neocontrol product that has 6 different macros, and you can activate these macros with a touch of your finger. We'll cover those macros in just a minute. This is a Neocontrol thermostat, and in this thermostat it has all the functions. It is a Z-Wave thermostat, so it does not need direct wiring. This is a cube, and the cube is kind of like the Slim Touch, only it does by motion, and so you can activate different macros by just having this go in a single direction there. This is a Neocontrol hub, and then with the Neocontrol hub, this is the brain of the Neocontrol system, and then this is a Windows shade remote with Somfy motors in it, and so you can see that macro open the window, so we're going to close that back up. And down here we have a Z-Wave controlled outlet. And so we have a night light to demo this guy right here. And then last but not least, we have a Z-Wave quick set door lock for security purposes. And so we're going to walk through this system here and how this works. And we'll get to that in just a moment. Here we have a Neocontrol Slim Touch keypad. As you can see, we have different macros programmed: on, off, movie time, party time, good night, and good morning. And so we're going to show you what happens when you press on. When you press on, now these are just items that we have programmed in here. You can completely change these to whatever your flavor. This is just an example for a demonstration. So we're going to push on, and then our star panels are going to turn on. Our horizon is going to turn on in the back. Our window shade is going to roll up. Our door is going to lock. Our outlet is going to turn on. Our thermostat is going to be set for the day. Our switch is turned on, and our dimmer is turned on to 100%. And so these are all the things that happen when you push on the keypad. Now we're going to watch a movie. So we press the movie macro, and the light is going to turn off on the switch. The dimmer is going to go down to about 20%. The window shade is going to lower to darken the room. The outlet is going to turn off, maybe some floor lighting in that room. The thermostat is going to go down to your preference of movie watching temperature. The stars are going to change modes to a dimmer setting, and then the horizon on the back of the panels is going to turn off, and then the door will lock if it's not locked already. So after we watch a movie, we want to have a party, of course. And so we press the party mode, and you'll see that the ambience will drive the horizon to a color cycle mode. The stars themselves will go into a party strobe mode. The window shade will rise to a preset position. I notice that doesn't always go all the way up. There's 3 options. There's go up, go down, and go to a preset position, which it's going to right now. Our switch will turn off. Our dimmer will go to about 80%. The thermostat will turn down to about 72 degrees. And the outlet will turn on, and the lock will remain unchanged, and that is ready for party time. All right, party's over. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. However, I'm going to bed. So we're going to press goodnight, and goodnight is going to put the stars in a different mode. It's going to turn the horizon off through the ambience. The window shade is going to go down. The switch is going to go off. The dimmer is going to go to about 30%. The thermostat is going to go to probably 73 degrees, whatever you're comfortable sleeping in. The outlet is going to turn on, and then the door lock, if not locked already, will lock. And that's when you go to sleep. And after a good night's sleep, you get up and you say, good morning, good party last night. Let's press good morning. And then when we press good morning, the shade will rise. The switch will remain off, if not off already. It'll turn off. The dimmer will go to about 85%. The door will unlock. The thermostat will go to 74. The outlet will turn off. And the stars will also go in a different mode, and the horizon will turn onto a teal color. And that's the good morning macro. Next, we have the off command. So we push the off command, wait for it, everything goes off. And so at this point, the lights will turn off, the stars will turn off, the horizon, controlled by the ambience, will turn off, and the window shade will close, the outlet will turn off, and the thermostat will set itself to 78 degrees. And the lock will unlock. What shirt am I wearing? Pretend it says Stellar on it.
And action.
On Facebook! Hi, I'm Ted Kazansky.
Take 2. Action. I have to edit that out too.
Yeah, I'll just cut that in post. You got an edit button on that thing? Hi.
Cut.
I like to highlight the forklift noise. How's my hair for real?
Just do this.
I know I don't have any. Got giggles hanging out. And I want to walk through you a panel that we just... I'm a browse. Hi, I'm... No, I just need a leader. You gotta get the fuzzies off. Alright, so our shade is down. What's the name of this? Window treatment? Okay, so our window there's a plane. You hear the plane? The airplane's up. You push this button, the airplane goes by. This is the Neo Touch. And to go through the buttons we have programmed on, and you can see we have different macros programmed keypad. And here we have it. This is a Neo. So this is a Neo Touch.
Cut.
Here we have a Neo Touch.
What's the line?
Shut up, Jeremy. I'm not doing this on purpose, I promise. So this is a Neo.
What's the line?
Line. So this has some different macros that we have programmed. Morning. So the good morning will be done. And now it is time to go to sleep. So now what comes after on? All right. So we push movie time. And then when that macro is run.
Sorry.
I'm trying to film. I don't want to point fingers, but this is the reason we're taking a break. Right here.
What comes after on?
This wonderful lady right here. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh,
all right.
Man. That's yours.
Yep.
Action.
So now that everything's on, let's watch a movie.
Oh my goodness. I'm sorry.
Ready to start recording? Okay. See, this is why movies take like thousands of years to make, because the giggle factor is high on the set. And so, all right. All right. This is serious. We got to get done before sundown. Now we want to watch a movie. We press movie macro. Movies are just hysterical.
I don't know what the problem is. It's like when you say movie, it triggers it.
Oh, now she's triggered because I said movie. Movie, film, film.
Movie is my macro to start laughing.
I was born ready.
Action, Jackson.
I'm not Jackson, but this will have to do. TJ said we're not allowed to say that guy. Next, we have a forklift. It's making lots of noise outside. Next, see? It's Anthony. Hi, Anthony.
We can't put that in the video.
No, we can't put that in the video. Right?
We're going to get in trouble.
Probably you saying that.